For this example, we're going to expand using binomial expansion, means we're going to use the formula here for this p minus 2q power of 5. So binomial expansion, when we look at our power, we have power positive integers where our n is 5. Then our formula used here will be the type 1 formula. So in type 1 formula, you have to know what is your first term a. So the position of a will be equals to p. Meanwhile, the position of second term b will be equals to negative 2q. Then we start plug into our formula. So our formula of expand this will be n, 5, start with 0. Then for the first term, p to a power of 5. Then b to a power of 0. Continue with 5, 1. So p will start power of 4, where 5 minus 1 is 4. Then negative 2q start to power of 1. Continue 5, 2, p power of 3, q, negative 2q here, power of 2. Then 5, 3. First term p, power of 2. Then second term b, negative 2q, power of 3, and continue. 5, 4. First term p, power of 1. Second term b, negative 2q, power of 4. And lastly, we will stop at 5, 5. First term p, power of 0, b, power of 5. So now we're going to evaluate our numbers. So this is will be our 5c0. Time with 5c0 time with negative 2 power of 0. So evaluate this number, it will give us 1. So finally our value get 1. P to the power of 5. Meanwhile, q power of 0 will be equals to 1. Then we continue for this part. So for this part, our value will be start with 5c1 times the value of negative 2 power of 1. So here it will give us negative 10. P to the power of 4. Meanwhile, you look at q. Q is power of 1, so q only. Then continue for another part. Evaluate this 5c2. So you can press your answer, press your calculator for 5c2. Then time with negative 2 to the power of 2, we will get value of 40. Then p to the power of 3, q to the power of 2. Continue. For this part, 5c3 times with the value of negative 2 power of 3. So here we have negative 80. Negative 80 p to the power of 2, q to the power of 3. Then continue. So work for this 5c1 times negative 2 power of 4. It gives us 80 also. But now p is power of 1, q is power of 4. Then lastly, the last term here, 5c5. And then negative 2 power of 5, it gives us negative 32. So p power of 0 is 1, leaving q power of 5.